Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Drive application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android device and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom and in the search bar at the top type in Google Drive and search. Now, in some of the Android devices out there, Google Drive application will be inbuilt. If it is not, tap on the install button right underneath or right next to the Google Drive application and you will then be able to install the app on your device. In some Android devices out there, Google Drive application will be pre-installed. In that case, you can update to the latest version of Google Drive if available, and that's how you can easily get access to Google Drive on your Android device. Once the app is installed, launch it open and then sign in using your Google account's credentials. That's how you can easily download and install Google Drive in your Android device in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.